Hi, I'm Welser, and I'm going to show you my new dance, Honkytonk, to the song Down to the Honkytonk by Jake Owen. It's a 4-wall, 32-count improver line dance, and you can get the step sheets on Copper Knob or Line Dancer websites. It's got a 16-count intro, so I'll demo it first and then do a little teach. Music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Got a house down a back road, we got a flag on the front porch, got a dog named Waylon. I got a driveway that needs paving, got a post with a two-stroke, a couple here to make you laugh jokes. Got friends in low places, yeah, life is what you make it. My life ended up in the Hall of Fame with a star on the sidewalk with my name, or a statue in my hometown when I'm gone. Nobody can live, babies after me, I might not go down in history, but I'll go down to the honky-tonk. Got a girl named Sheila, she goes batshit tequila. Got a job that gets the job done. I got a loan in the bank, it's a big one. The only place where my name is on the wall for a good time call. I'm a local legend on a Friday night in a fast food and me and my life on my life.
Okay, that gives you an idea of what the dance is like. Okay, now I'll do a brief teach. Okay, so it's a 16-count intro. Starts with 2 triples, and one of the triples has a scuff, so you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're going to do a push vine to the side. And a push vine is like a paddle turn, only it's to the side, so you go step, push, step, push, step, push, step, push. And the important part here is that after you do your triples, don't think that this is your push, because you got to step, push, step, push, step, push, step, push. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and push, push, push. So you're pushing on your and count. Okay, then you've got, let's see, over here. Then you're going to make a half turn to the right in 4 steps, just a simple half turn. You're going to hear something in front of the camera. So you've made a 4-count turn, and then you're going to do your 4 skates, 2 forward, 2 back with claps. So 6, 8, 7, and 8. So your count is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then you're going to do a syncopated vine with hitches. You're going to do 1 to your right, and then you're going to make a quarter turn to your right and do another one. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and your slaps 5. So let's do the whole thing there with a count. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, and the last is a step lock step. So after you've done that, that's your 3rd count of 8s, and then you're going to do you're going to do 2 jazz boxes. Sorry about that. And they're both 3 count, and step together in a little twist at the end. So your count is 1, 2, 3, 4. Start your 2nd jazz box. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's your whole 32 counts. Let me do it from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4